Hey traders, happy Monday. Man, what a day, what a day, what a day, man. Overnight was crazy. Early morning crazy. Till about 3 a.m., 4 a.m. is when we finally got a little bit of relief for the bull side. Um, in my previous analysis, in my video from last Friday, I highlighted that the potential pullback to the 6100 level um, when Sunday session opened, while a pullback to this level would have been healthy for us for sure on the bull side to defend, but we saw immediate flush, 6125 to 6115 area, and flushed us straight to that 6100 major level. Despite initial defense, we attempted a few times, try to stay above it, but it ultimately just gave out, and the selling pressure continued as the market just worked its way down to that 60-75 area, I believe. Yep, 60-75, 60-70 area, which was a previous mid pivot. Um, the Bulls managed to bounce it a few times, and then it ultimately failed. Also, worked our way down as the shorts stayed in control, pushing prices lower throughout the early night, early morning, and then we finally reclaimed some ground as we reclaimed the 59, what was it, 62, another previous spot. Once we reclaimed that, we worked our way to that mid pivot level from before, like a week ago, where we failed and created the FBD. So it was good to get back there, and we had about like 6-7 touches, and probably in the smaller frame, but still could see them here. Sat up here a couple times, just wouldn't push back under that magnet level, anywhere from that 15 to 20 range, which it was good to see, and how we tested that. By the end of the day, after she got out of that 20, what was it, like 20 to 30 zone, she was battling for a while. And once we broke out of that, we finally made our way to that 42 level, broke higher to that 55, and kind of ended the day at that 60-50 level, just holding that. That's kind of what happened today. And I mean, the big things were, that President Trump remarks on the tariffs on the Colombia ordeal, and then we had that China deep seeker app situation. And it's kind of funny because me and a few members earlier were talking, and it just reminded us of back, August, when we had that China mini crash back then, and scared a lot of people. And it's almost the same scenario, and I feel like it's setting up, for another big push, maybe to those all-time highs. We're starting to curl up here. So we'll see. We still got, FOMCs coming up here this Wednesday. We still got a lot of earnings this week. It's going to be big for the Bulls to defend that 60-20, 60-15 magnet level. I think as long as we sustain that, then overnight be more like the 35, 40, 42 area. As long as the Bulls hold that, we should be able to push up and retrace back to that previous mid pivot at that 60-70, 60-75 area. So that's what I'll pretty much watch is the support levels at that 60-20, 60-30, 60-45 area, and then aiming for that 60-70, 75. And if we get past that, we can start making our way to that 60-85, 60-95, and so on and so on. I think as we make our way towards Wednesday, that we'll slow down and get some more consolidation. And I would love to see that by Wednesday or so. We're up closer to the 6100 area, and it would just even fit more of the criteria of they want to launch it. But yeah, that's pretty much what we have today. It's not much on the outlook. Now we just got to wait. The market's about to open here in 3 minutes or so. So see what happens with that. Hopefully everybody had, a good weekend. Hopefully everybody studied up. I finally just opened my Discord to people. It's been about 10 of us. Had a lot of people back then. People just weren't committed, and now I kept it like a knit tight group, 8 to 10 people, and we've been with each other for about 4 or 5 years now. And now I'm just going ahead and open it up. It's going to be subscription based, be like $7.99 a month, $7 a month, so it's not bad. And you get features of live voice and live voice chats with the team members, exclusive floors for the subscribers. You know, get to pick my brain a little bit on things if they would like. But yeah, so hopefully get some people going over there. That's where I'll be posting mainly my recaps of everything that I usually post on like web charts or Twitter, X, stock Twitch and stuff like that. But here goes a little preview Discord. Got this for the subscribers where I'll post my daily newsletters, inspiration chat where anybody want to give ideas of things, ask me questions. My YouTube videos will be posted in the channels. They could quickly access those. Got a boy in here, my boy Wiz, does his EDU and his education. Follow him. He plays a lot of NQ. Just market discussions. Pretty much open to anything on that floor in the S&P 500, NASDAQ. Then I also do trade crude oil a little bit. Didn't really touch it today. Haven't been my main focus on it in a minute. Just been mainly focused on my ES. Automated news. ES levels that come through with the key levels or whatnot, what to watch for, reclaims or rejections, base and above for a breakout or whatnot. We got NQ levels, a little bit of trading schools, different websites, media votes of different things. But yeah, if you guys want to check it out, the link will be in the description. And here we go, the market's open. Gotta pop back at that 55 and let's go from there. Good luck, let's stay patient and let's bank out.